What's up, everybody? So we've been getting quite a few video requests on how do we pair all of our sensors. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. If you have any additional questions on any of these sensors, go to support.garmin.com. But we're going to run through this. Editor, throw up the timer and let's see how fast we can get this going. Start with the heart rate monitor. You're going to make sure you flip this over, get these electrodes wet. Once they're wet, put it tight in your chest, and then we should be good to go. For our lights here, we want to go ahead, turn it on. This is our RTL 515. Push and hold the power button. Once we see purple, it is in pairing mode. Blue just indicates it's on, purple is in pairing mode. Same thing with the UT800. Push and hold the power button. Bam, purple light, pairing mode again. Pretty straightforward. Behind me I have my bike, and I have rally power meters on there. So for rallies, we want to go ahead, spin the cranks. That's going to wake up your power meter. For the 100 series, you're going to look on the left pedal on the back side of that, on the underside of the crank. You're going to see a light on the back side of the pedal. That indicates it's awake. For the 200 series, you're going to see lights on both sides of the pedal there. If you have electronic shifting like I do, go ahead and wake up your shifters. You can tap the shifters to wake them up, as well as you want to make sure both of your derailleurs, if you have both, are on as well. All right, we're all awake there. For some of those individuals that have speed and cadence sensors, very similar process. Go ahead and if your cadence sensor is on the bike, spin the cranks, it's going to wake it up. If your speed sensor is on the bike, spin the wheel that it's attached to, that's going to wake it up and it'll be in pairing mode already. If you don't have them on the bike yet, that's fine. Just grab them in your hand, give them a good shake. It may take a little bit of time there. That'll wake it up and you'll be good to go. In regards to the Edge, very similar UI, slightly different depending on the model you have. Pretty similar process though. Start by going to Settings, Sensors, Add Sensor, and we're going to search all because we have a large list of sensors here. Give it a couple seconds. Bam, all of our sensors are right there. Go make sure it's all there, show more, no other sensors are missing, select all, add, and it's going to give you the option here if you want to add any custom data screens. I would recommend yes. It's going to customize some of those data screens based upon those sensors you just added. And then it's going to ask you about setting up a power meter. We're going to want to set that up. Enter your crank length. This can be found on the actual crank itself. The number should be printed there. If they're not printed, check your manufacturer's website, and that's pretty straightforward. And then we highly recommend calibrating before every ride. That's going to ensure the best and most accurate power numbers. And then we're not going to calibrate right now because I'm not going for a bike ride at the moment. Boom, there you go. Everything should be added and we should be ready to rock and roll. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and have a great day.